got in our gondola for a Skyrail trip up to Kuranda. We got additional guests on this trip riding in the gondola behind. Jack, the long lost son, and Grandma and Granddad. Excited? Pee-wee?
I don't like the noise. At least it's bumpy.
So the trip consists of 3 sections. The first one is a 10-minute run to the first stop. Then a 20-minute run. Then a 15-minute run to the top. It's a long way to the top if you want to take a Skyrail. Oh. Look at this one coming past.
Has that got a trolley in it?
What is that?
I think it's just to ship supplies up and back. Seats on it. Maybe it's the way the workers go. We're on the first gondola of the morning, so we got the sun reflecting off the ocean. Hopefully the Sabi on the way back we get a better view of that. Hey, wait, what can you see out the gondola?
Just rainforest. I can't even see the ground. It's just
We go
rainforest.
up that way.
There's definitely a thick canopy down there. Ooh-wee! Any sign of cassowaries?
No.
What about a tree kangaroo? Red belly just hanging out by the
And I still
pathway.
got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this.
We're up to our second leg of the trip up. The total time spent in the gondola is 45 minutes, consisting of 2 stops on the way up to change lines. We're close to the treetops here, look. Stick your hand out the window. Oh, you could have plucked a flower off of that tree. Several years ago on our Cape trip, we checked out Barron Gorge, and now we're about to cross over it from this side. I reckon this is going to be a specky view. There it is, Barron Falls. It's not so barren today. And the steep descent into the exit. Come in with a bit of speed. We are hooking. And
Oh my god! Can you
We're
stay
done.
on this one?
2 little girls checking out Barron Falls.
Don't even know what one.
Alright, this is what we've dubbed the slingshot.
Let's do the slingshot. It's super fun. Let's go, slingshot. What the heck?
The top of Barron Falls, where the hydroelectric power station resides. So as we approach Kuranda at the top of our Skyrail experience, what did you think, Mum?
Amazing.
We got a whole trip back yet? Because we couldn't get on the train.
I think it's been about, I think I was 10, maybe 12 when I did this last, so it's been good to do it again.
Be happy.
Alright, we'll cross the river, get into Kuranda and see what it's like, see if it was worth this money. We're doing our final approach down into Kuranda. The girls are looking out over the river. How's your Skyrail experience been, Peyton?
Amazing.
Would you do it again?
20,000 times.
approach to the last stop where we get off at Kuranda. Highly recommend, that's how much I recommend, doing the Skyrail experience from Cairns to Kuranda.
Okay.
And if it's not booked out, jump on the train, I reckon.
Yeah, what happened to her?
Well, that was our very quick look at Kuranda.
Yeah, it was very quick.
We're gonna drive back to Kuranda and
Bird.
do a day trip doing the bird thing and that, so we didn't do a whole lot today.
Markets were good.
It was a good walk around.
To look at, see?
Kick back and enjoy the time lapse as we venture down the hill.
Cold hand, frozen feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue.
Oh, that feels good on your little tootsie.
Now go for me again. Mommy.
This is how you tell the girls are excited.
Bruh. I love you so much.
They don't stop talking.